How'd that get in there?
Here's how to make sure this never happens to you. Let's say that you have this worksheet over here and you're okay with your coworkers typing in numbers into these 4 cells, but everything else is off limits. Well, if you want to prevent them from messing everything else inside of your workbook, well, then you need to do this. First, select the range that you're okay with them editing, and then go to the Review tab, and then click on Allow Edit Ranges. Once you do that, click on New, then you can title this range whatever you want. I'll go ahead and rename it Allow, and then I could set a password if I want, and then click OK. Then you can click Apply, and then after you do that, click X, and now click anywhere else, and then go back to the Review tab and select Protect Sheet. Once you do that, go ahead and enter a password that you want. I'll type 123, click OK, and then retype the password 123, click OK again. And now anytime someone tries to edit any of the cells, you'll get this error unless they are these 4 cells that you were okay with them editing. In this case, I can go ahead and type whatever I want, press enter, and then that's perfectly fine. If you want to improve your Excel efficiency, you need my 26 need to know Excel shortcuts cheat sheet. Just comment Excel and I'll DM it to you.